14th problem, 5th bit. Solution given. A by 2b plus 2b by a whole square minus 2b by a minus a by 2b whole square. Here we are using the formula a plus b whole square minus of a minus b whole square, and the answer that is equal to 4ab. You may get doubt here. A by 2b is there. Here 2b by a is there. Now coming to this formula. This is in the form of a minus b whole square. We know that a minus b whole square means a square minus 2ab plus b square. A minus b whole square and b minus a whole square, both answers are same. B square minus ba plus a square. If you read from back, again the same comes, from the front again same. So a minus b whole square will be equal to b minus a whole square. So if you do reverse also, the same answer comes. Likewise, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. B plus a whole square also b square plus 2ba plus, there is no change in the answers. So now a plus b whole square minus of a minus b whole square is equal to 4ab. In the place of a by 2b is there. In the place of b, 2b by a is there. So 4ab. Here a in the numerator, b, a in the denominator, but both get cancelled. Here 2b in the numerator and 2b in the denominator get cancelled. So 4 into 1 into 1. 4 ones are 1, 4 ones are 1. So answer is 4. Fourteenth problem, 6th bit. 3x minus 1 by 3x whole square minus 3x plus 1 by 3x into 3x minus 1 by 3x. Here two terms are there. This is first term. This is second term. Either plus or minus can change the term, not multiplication or division. If it is plus or minus, then we can count as terms. First term, second term. Here we are using the formula because two formulas you are using. A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. This one, a minus b whole square formula. And the remaining second term is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. That is equal to a square minus b square. So these two formulas at a time we are using. So a square minus 2ab plus b square. 3x whole square minus 2 into 3x into 1 by 3x plus 1 by 3x whole square minus of, it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. So 3x whole square minus 1 by 3x whole square. Now 9x whole square, 3x whole square means 9x square. Here 3x and 3x get cancelled. Minus 2 into 1 is 2. Plus 1 square means 1. 3x whole square means 9x square. Minus of, now coming to here, 3x whole square, 9x square minus 1 by 3x whole square. 1 ones are 1. 3x whole square means 9x square. Now minus is going inside the bracket. The signs becomes opposite. Minus into plus, minus, minus into minus, plus. So 9x square minus 2 plus 1 by 9x square as it is. Now minus is going inside the bracket. Plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. Here plus 9x square minus 9x square get cancelled. What are remaining means minus 2, 1 by 9x square plus 1 by 9x square. So 1 plus 9x, 1 by 9x square plus again 1 by 9x square, 2 into 1 by 9x square minus 2. Now you are taking 2 common because in the first term 2 is there, in the second term also 2 is there. So you are taking 2 as common. 1 by 9x square minus 1. 14th problem, 7th bit. 5a plus 3b whole square minus 5a plus 3b whole square minus 60ab. The first and second terms, it is in the form of a plus b whole square minus of a minus b whole square, that is equal to 4ab. You have to read and learn by heart all these formulas. With the help of these formulas only we can solve these problems easily. So read whenever time you find. Now 5a plus 3b whole square minus of 5a minus 3b whole square, we are simplifying first. So what is the answer? 4ab. So 4 into, in the place of a, 5a is there. In the place of b, 3b is there. Dot indicates multiplication. Otherwise you can put brackets. No problem. So multiply 4 5s are 20. 23s are 60 ab. 60 ab minus 60 ab. How much? 0. Eighth problem, 8th bit. 3x plus 1 whole square minus of 3x plus 2 into 3x minus 1. It is in the form of a plus b whole square. The first term, that is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. And the second one, if you want, you can use this also special product, x plus a into x minus b. That is equal to x square minus of b minus c of x minus ab. You can use that formula also. Or direct like this you can multiply without any confusion. Now you are applying formula a square plus 2ab plus b square. 3x whole square means 9x square plus 2 3s are 6 into 1 6 6x. 1 square means 1 minus of this 3x into x minus 1 plus 2 into 3x minus 1. Direct multiplication. Plus into plus plus 3 3 is 9, x into x 9x square. Plus into minus minus 1 3x is 3x. Plus into plus plus 2 3s are 6, so 6x. Plus into minus minus 1 2 is 2. Now 9x square plus 6x plus 1 minus of, here like terms are there, simplify. 6x minus 3x is plus 3x. Now minus you send inside the bracket, become quite opposite signs. 9x square plus 6x plus 1 minus into plus minus 9x square minus into plus minus 3x minus into minus plus 2, that is equal to, here plus 9x square minus 9x square get cancelled. Now the remaining terms you write 6x minus 3x plus 1 plus 2. Simplify. From 6x, if you subtract 3x, 3x will be there. 1 plus 2 is 3. Here 3 is common. 3 is there in the both the terms. Take 3 common, x plus 1. 15th problem, first bit. They have given in the problem a plus b is equal to 7. And ab is equal to 10. They told to find the value of a minus b. So it is in the formula a plus b whole square minus of a minus b whole square is equal to 4ab. Now replace a plus b, how much they have given? 7. 7 square minus a minus b whole square. We don't know how much value is a minus b, we have to find. Is equal to 4ab. ab they have given 10. So 4 into 10. 7 7s are 49 minus of a minus b whole square is equal to 40. Numericals one side, variables another side. 49 plus 40 comes this side, minus 40 is equal to minus of a minus b whole square becomes plus a minus b whole square. 49 minus 40 is 9. 9 is equal to a minus b whole square. Square comes from left to right. Square root. So a minus b is equal to square root of 9. A minus b is equal to plus or minus 3. Why I wrote plus or minus 3 means plus 3 into plus 3 also 9 only. Minus 3 into minus 3 also. Second bit. X minus y is equal to 5. Xy is equal to 24. It is in the form of a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is equal to 4ab. Important formulas you have to by heart. So x plus y they did not give. So x plus y whole square minus In the place of x minus y, 5 they have given. So 5 square minus 4xy. This is xy means 24. Substitute. Now x plus y whole square, 5 5s are 25. So minus 25 is equal to 4. 24s are 96. X plus y whole square is equal to minus 25 goes that side. So 96 plus 25. X plus y whole square is equal to add 96 plus 25. 121. So x plus y is equal to square you are taking from this side. Left to right you are taking. Square becomes square root. X plus y. What is the square root of 121 means? 11. Plus or minus 11. Because plus 11 into plus 11 also 121. Minus 11 into minus 11 also 121. 16th problem. If 3a plus 4b is equal to 16 and ab is equal to 4, find the value of 9a square plus 16b square. Solution given. 3a plus 4b is equal to 16. Squaring on both sides. Both sides we have to square. 3a plus 4b whole square is equal to 16 square. This is in the form of a plus b whole square. Left side it is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. Always you have to mention the formulas. What formulas you are using in the problem, you have to mention compulsory. 3a whole square plus 2 into 3a into 4b plus 4b whole square is equal to 16. 16s are 256. Who don't know like me? Do side. 16 into 16. 9a square plus 24ab. How 24? Here 3 3 is 9. Here a square plus 2 3s are 6. 6 4s are 24. A into b, ab. Plus 4 4s are 16. B square is equal to 256. 9a square plus 24 into 4. From where we got this 4? Given in the problem. AB is equal to 4. So replace AB value as 4. Plus 16b square is equal to 256. 256. 9a square plus 24 4s are 96 plus 16b square is equal to 256. 9a square plus 16b square plus 96 you are taking to right side. So 256 minus 96. Subtract here. So that working. 9a square plus 16b square is equal to 160 you get. They told to find the value of 9a square plus 16b square. We got the value of 9a square plus 16b square as 160.